Welcome to our lesson on sets and Venn diagrams. Let's explore a past WASSCE question from 2009. A group of 34 women sell at least one of these food items. These food items are yam, maize, and plantain. 22 women sell yam, 14 sell maize, and 18 sell plantain. 7 women sell both yam and maize. 9 women sell both yam and plantain. Importantly, no one sells all three items. Now, let's find the answers to the following questions. First, we need to determine how many sell maize and plantain only. Next, we'll find the probability that a woman sells plantain only. Let's start by defining our sets. We define Y as yam, M as maize, and P as plantain. We'll fill the Venn diagram from the inside out, starting with the common area. Place 7 in the overlap for yam and maize, and 9 for yam and plantain. The center remains 0. Since 7 women sell both yam and maize, place 7 in the overlap of yam and maize. Since 9 women sell yam and plantain, place 9 in that overlap. No one sells all three items, so the middle region is 0. Now, let's introduce the unknown regions in our diagram. To find the number of women who sell only yam, we subtract all overlapping regions from 22. So, we set up the equation equals 22 minus the sum of the overlaps. This simplifies to equals 22 minus 16. Thus, equals 6, meaning 6 women sell only yam. Next, let's find the number of women who sell only maize. We can express this as b equals 14 minus the overlaps. This simplifies to b equals 14 minus the sum of 7 and x. Therefore, we have b equals 7 minus x. Now, let's find the number of women who sell only plantain. This can be expressed as c equals 18 minus the overlaps. So, we have c equals 18 minus the sum of 9 and x. Thus, we can simplify this to c equals 9 minus x. If you're enjoying this explanation, please subscribe for more math solutions. Let's form the total equation based on our findings. The total number of women selling items can be represented as N of Y union M union P equals N of U. This leads us to the equation 6 plus the other regions equals 34. Now let's solve for x. We have 38 minus x equals 34. So, x equals 4. This equation is the next step in the calculation. Now, let's find the number of women who sell plantain only. We use the equation c equals 9 minus x. This simplifies to c equals 9 minus 4. Thus, c equals 5, indicating 5 women sell only plantain. Next, let's form the probability. The probability of selling plantain only is the number who sell plantain only divided by the total number of women. This gives us the probability as 5 out of 34. Now, let's visualize this in our Venn diagram. We see that 4 women sell maize and plantain only, and 5 sell plantain only. These 4 women sell maize and plantain only. So, the number of women selling maize and plantain only is 4. And the probability of selecting a woman who sells plantain only is 5 out of 34. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful math content. And the probability of selecting a woman who sells plantain only is 5 out of 34.